afternoon, everyone. My name is Prachi Gari. I have done my 10th and 12th from Saraswati Vidya Mandir Balika Inter College, and now I am studying BCom from Saraswati Vidya Mandir Mahila Mahavidyalaya. And also I am studying BCFA from New Era Computer Classes. Today I am standing here in front of you to give a presentation on the topic what is computer and its component. What is computer? The word computer is originated from a Greek word compute, which means calculate. Computer is an advanced electronic, programmable, and multi-purpose device that performs various tasks. It works on the user's instruction, and it can process both numeric as well as non-numeric data. What is instructions and data? Instructions are a step-by-step explanation of how to solve a problem or how to do a specific task. And data are raw facts and figures that can be processed by processing device to make a useful result. Father of the computer. Father of the computer, Mr. Charles Babbage, was a 19th century English mathematician who invented two engines, the defense engine and analytical engine. And also the first programmer of the computer is Ada Lovelace. Characteristics of the computer. 5 main characteristics of the computer: accuracy, speed, storage, power of remembering, and delicacy. And functions of computer, there are 4 functions that a computer performed: accepting data by using input devices, process data by using processing device, produce output by using output devices, and store data by using storage devices. Computer system. Computer system is mainly made up of 2 components, hardware and software. All the physical part that is tangible in nature and we can see them, touch them, are called hardware. There are 4 types of hardware: input devices, processing device, output devices, and storage device. All those devices to be enter the data or instruction to the computer are known as input devices. For example, keyboard, mouse, joystick, etc. Processing device. Processing device are the device which we process the data. We process the raw data as per the instructions of the user to make a useful result. There is only one processing device in the computer system, that is CPU, Central Processing Unit, and brain of the computer. 3 major unit of the CPU are CU, ALU, MU. Central unit, ALU means arithmetic logic unit, and MU means memory unit. Now, will remove if the power is cut off. RAM can also be divided into 2 parts, SRAM and DRAM. SRAM stands for static randomly access memory, and